Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Epitome of Bree here. Today I am doing something a little different. I am temporary coloring my hair with the hair paint wax. I did get these from a company called Ponyfly, Shop Ponyfly. I'll put that down here, Shop Ponyfly, on Instagram. They sent me 4 colors to try out and give my honest opinion about. So today I'm going to be trying out the red and the gold. I'm gonna mix them and try to get like a auburn color. We gonna see how that work out. And I also got the blue and purple. This video is sponsored, but I am going to definitely give my honest opinion about how I feel about these products. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. So you guys, I just got a little clear bowl from the dollar store and a plastic spoon because I'm gonna mix the colors together before I apply them to my hair. So let's get into it. So opening the product, I'm opening the red one. Oh my gosh. So I have seen a couple of these videos and everybody says that it smells like men's cologne, and it really does. Yep. So this is what it looks like. Mine is kind of off to the side again. Okay. So, oh, it's creamy. It's very, very creamy. I was thinking that it was going to be more waxy, but it's like really creamy. This probably will be a really cute eyeshadow. I ain't even gonna lie. Like a cream shadow. Oh my gosh, look at the pigment. So opening up the red one, gonna scoop it. It's about that much left. I'm gonna scoop out this much. That should be enough. And we putting it right in the bowl. I'm gonna go ahead and get another spoon. That way I'm not mixing the colors in the actual jar. And I'm gonna go into the gold and get some of the gold. So now I have the red and the gold inside the little bowl that I got from Dollar Tree, and the spoon is from Dollar Tree too. I just needed something to mix, the stuff in. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna mix these two together. So I ended up getting this color right here. I'm gonna just roll with it and hope for the best. It's kind of like a reddish orange. So I am working on an old twist out. Well, it's not super old. This is day 2. Like, I just took it down yesterday. So this is day 2, and I'm just going to, I like stretched styles, so that's why I'm going to work on the old twist out. And I'm going to just spray my hair with some water. Just mist it. This water bottle is really good for just misting the hair and not like getting it soaking wet. Misted. Okay. I need my glasses, y'all, so. And I'm just going to do a twist out, so. I might actually try this with a wash and go, because I was thinking, no, I don't want to do a wash and go because I don't have wash and go hair, because my hair shrinks up so bad with wash and goes. But this gives amazing definition, and I don't think it would shrink afterwards. But then again, I do not know. Look at that. Look at the definition. I'm gonna do some twists. So I decided to take the gloves off because I wasn't able to really feel like how moisturized my hair was, and I wasn't able to detangle it how I would like. So I just went ahead and took the gloves off. This is how much I have left to do this front section of my hair, so we're gonna make it work. So all I've been doing is spraying my hair with the water, just a small section, and making sure to spray the ends because I don't want my ends drying out. And then I just rub it through my hair. And then I take some of the wax and rub it onto my hair. And you guys, this is the finished look. I definitely highly recommend this product for anybody who wants to, get a new look without damaging their hair permanently. It does have a little payoff the next day, well, as you wear it out, but it washes out easy and it does not give your hair that crunchy hold that some gels do. Your hair is still going to be moisturized and soft and looking good. Bye guys, I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.